G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. This is episode 97 and we are making the Lyre'S Mojito. So let's get started. Okay, so for the month of July we are doing non-alcoholic cocktails to support the Dry July Foundation. So if you get a chance, please dart across to their website, help out where you can, because I know those that need that support would be greatly appreciated. So let's get started. Alright guys, so what you're going to need for today, you're going to need the Lyre'S non-alcoholic white cane spirit, you're going to need some sugar syrup, some soda, we've got some fresh lime and we've also got some fresh mint. From a bar tools perspective, just a shaker, you're going to need some ice, a bar spoon and a straw if you want to enjoy it with a straw. So that's it. Alright, so let's get into it. First step, let's load up your shaker with some ice. And we're going to pour 75 mils of the Lyre'S white cane spirit directly into the shaker. Next step is 15 mils of sugar syrup. A bit shaky, there we go. Now it's about 30 mils of fresh lime. Our limes are really big today, so I'm just going to squeeze in half a lime, which should be about right. Now the reason I'm squeezing these in is because we want them actually in the cocktail, it's not just being juiced. So we actually want the lime in there. Alright, the last stage is to pick about 8 or so mint leaves. So these mint leaves are quite small, but we'll just pick a few off. About 8. Don't get the stalks in there because that's not too nice to enjoy in your cocktail. Couple more than 8, that's okay. Now what you do, grab those and just give them a quick clap in your hand and then drop them in. The clap just releases some of that beautiful fragrance and then give it a shake. Alrighty, so now we're not going to strain this one, we're just going to dump it straight in. So the reason we've got the bar spoon is so we can guide it, alright? Especially when you start getting these big chunks of lime coming down. All right, let's give that a bit of a stir. Now what we're going to do is top up with soda. And to garnish, we're going to garnish with a dehydrated lime wheel and a nice sprig of mint, and we'll grab a straw. It's a bit low tide actually, let's just top that one up. That's better. Alright, do you know what I'll do? I'm going to put that mint nicely behind there. And there you have the Lyre'S Mojito. Enjoy.